Hello and welcome to SAF classes. In this video lecture, I am going to explain you how to install jvdroid app to run Java programs on your Android phone without any delay. I am going to show you how to do this. Go to the Play Store. Here you have to search jvdroid. It is already coming. Just select the first option. Tap the install button. And within few seconds it would install on your mobile phone. The installation will take at least 1 minute, depends on the configuration of your mobile phone. Now if you have this, then I will teach you how to type a program, how to save the program, and plenty of other things also. And this will be a very good option if you are not having laptop or a desktop computer at your home. Okay, so just have patience. We are waiting and let it install. Within fraction of a second it will be installed, I hope so. Similarly, there is another app, PyDroid. I have a playlist and which I have just set on my status of WhatsApp. You can go and check that app also, how to install PyDroid to run Python programs on Android phone and how to install other libraries as well. Okay, so it is almost completed and we are opening it by tapping open button, and this is the first visual. Just select the what is your goal. Definitely running Java, first option. What is your Java label? Beginner. Because you are beginners and you have to learn all these things. What type of program are you planning with? Terminal programs. Whenever you are making output windows, those output windows are actually terminal program or console programming. Now there are three options. Preserve files on exit. See, suppose you are typing some program and suddenly you just stop typing and went somewhere. So if you want to start back from where you left, so you can select this option. It is good. You can choose the dark theme. I am choosing it. Tab insert space, yes. Press continue and it will be initialized within fraction of a second. Just continue, and this is an ad. If you want a premium version, you have to buy this for lifetime, but I would advise you not to do this. Free version is sufficient for you. Public class main, public static void main. Now I have to type a program. So I'm just typing one simple SOP, system.out .println in bracket double quotes. Okay, welcome to SAF classes, and then put the semicolon at the end like this and run this program without any saving. It was automatically run. See, welcome to SAF classes. Oh, I hope it is clear to you. Now sir, I need to save this program. If you notice, there you can see star. It means this file is still not saved. So go to just press on this folder button, go to save option and give the permission to save the file on your system. Enable it, go back anywhere, create a folder. Let's say I'm creating a folder. Let's say my Java code. Okay, then tap it. Where is my Java code? Is it at the top? No, just search it. This is my Java code. This file, new file.java. Suppose this is a test file. I am just creating test file. Save it. Now it has been saved. There is no need to have a same name as the name of a file. So class name का name main है, file का नाम test.java है. इस तरह की कोई कंडीशन और आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You can do it very easily. अब हम इसको रन कर देंगे. हमने आपको रन करके दिखा दिया, फाइल भी सेव हो गई. I hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video. Please keep watching other videos which is helpful to you, especially for class 9th and 10th. Thank you very much.